Hey, to customize your watch faces on the Huawei Watch Fit 3, all you have to do is just to click and hold with your finger on the watch face, and then you have to select the custom button. But you have to remember that you cannot actually customize every watch face. So for example, if I go for this one, as you can see, this customize button is not available. So you have to actually find this watch face that you can actually customize and click on this button. And now we've got a lot of options. The first one, you can just change the style. So in this one, we can actually change the color between the white and the black. When you scroll to the left side, you've got another option to change the color. So let's say that I would like to get, for example, this green watch face. Now I can go forward, slide to the left side, and I can customize all of these widgets. So let's say that I want to only change this slip widget, so I have to just click on it, and now from this list I can pick, for example, the SpO2 level, and now it's available. If I want to finish, I have to click here. If it doesn't work, you can click on this red button and you will also finish with this customization process. So that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.